China just dropped a bombshell. They're investing $600 billion into a top-secret megaproject for 2025. It's massive, mysterious, and could change the future forever. Wait until you hear what's happening. China is undertaking an incredible feat, spending a jaw-dropping $600 billion on secret megaprojects, reshaping not just its cities, but its future as a global superpower. This isn't ordinary construction, it's an epic engineering chronicle involving sprawling bridges, underwater tunnels, artificial islands, and futuristic infrastructure so vast and complex it sends shockwaves across the globe. These projects are so massive, they make other engineering works look tiny in comparison. It's bold, it's daring, and it's already stirring political debates and international attention. Number 10. Fast Radio Telescope. Picture this. A gargantuan telescope that's not just gazing at stars, but actually eavesdropping on the celestial symphony of the universe. This is the Fast Radio Telescope, a mind-boggling achievement that unfolded over a jaw-dropping span of 22 years, beginning construction in 1994 and reaching completion in 2016. FAST boasts an astonishing 500-meter-wide dish that captures cosmic secrets once beyond our reach. Unlike traditional telescopes painting vivid images of the cosmos, FAST is a listener, a behemoth capturing radiation emitted by celestial objects. This cosmic orchestra is transmitted to state-of-the-art equipment that deciphers signals, unveiling insights into the universe's mysteries. Nestled ingeniously within a natural sinkhole, the telescope's main lens is complemented by a radio receiver perched 140 meters above, a true testament to China's unwavering dedication to pushing space exploration boundaries. Number 9. Shenzhen-Zhongshan Bridge Complex. The Shenzhen-Zhongshan Bridge Complex, often called China's $500 billion secret megaproject, stretches over 24 kilometers. This masterpiece blends gigantic bridges, futuristic tunnels, and even man-made islands. Why these islands? Because this system transitions smoothly from bridges into underwater tunnels, something never attempted at this scale before. The project connects Shenzhen, one of the world's fastest-growing tech hubs, with Zhongshan across the Pearl River Delta. What once took 2 hours now takes less than 30 minutes. The impact is explosive economic integration across southern China, fueling trade, industry, and technology. But what really makes this jaw-dropping is the engineering precision. Building tunnels underwater in a busy shipping zone while keeping the system earthquake-proof and storm-resistant is something only a handful of nations could even attempt. Number 8. South to North Water Diversion Project. Water is life. Every drop sustains people, fuels economies, and shapes civilizations. In China, water has always been unevenly shared treasure. The country's south is blessed with vast rivers and abundant rainfall, while the north, home to Beijing, Tianjin, and countless industrial hubs, has long battled chronic shortages. For centuries, this imbalance created pressure. China created a bold idea that sounds impossible: literally move rivers. The South to North Water Diversion Project is one of history's largest and most ambitious engineering projects. Engineers are carving giant canals stretching thousands of kilometers, constructing massive pumping stations pushing water uphill, and digging underground tunnels piercing through mountains. Together, these feats channel nearly 45 billion cubic meters of water yearly from the water-rich south into the parched north. That's enough to fill 18 million Olympic swimming pools every year. When completed in 2050, this water transfer system will directly impact over 100 million lives. Number 7. High-speed rail network expansion. If there's one thing China is famous for, it's high-speed trains. China already has the world's largest high-speed rail network, over 40,000 kilometers of track. That's enough to circle the Earth. But China isn't stopping. It's spending another $40 billion to push trains faster, further, and deeper into difficult terrains like Tibet's mountains. Imagine speeding through snowy peaks and deserts at over 350 kilometers per hour. These trains don't just save time, they transform economies, linking small towns with big cities, making mobility cheaper and greener. They boost tourism, open trade routes, and reduce dependence on air travel, meaning fewer carbon emissions and cleaner skies. China is also exporting this technology. Countries like Indonesia and Thailand are now building their own high-speed rail lines powered by Chinese expertise, proving what started as a domestic project is becoming a global transportation revolution. Number 6. Shanghai Tower. Prepare to be captivated by the Shanghai Tower, an architectural masterpiece standing as testament to human imagination, engineering brilliance, and artistic innovation. Soaring to an awe-inspiring height of 632 meters, this skyscraper isn't just a structure, it's a testament to the fusion of form and function pushing boundaries. What truly sets Shanghai Tower apart is its mesmerizing spiral design. It's not just captivating visual, it's an engineering marvel, optimizing wind resistance. By tapering toward the top, the tower reduces wind load by an impressive 24%, a strategic move enhancing stability while shaving off a staggering $58 million in construction costs. As a symbol of China's commitment to sustainable urbanization, this tower is rewriting modern architecture rules, demonstrating that beautiful design and practical engineering can coexist perfectly. Number 5. Baihetan Hydropower Plant. Another China megaproject is one of the world's largest dams, the Baihetan Hydropower Plant. Towering in southwest China, this colossal double-curved concrete arch dam holds back immense water volumes to generate clean power. It has 16 massive turbines, each producing 1 million kilowatts of electricity. That's enough to power 500,000 homes per turbine. Together, it reduces millions of tons of carbon emissions yearly, aligning with China's ambitious green energy goals. Beyond power generation, the dam helps with flood control, irrigation, and stabilizing water supply for millions downstream, making it as much a lifeline as a power source. And here's the kicker, it was built faster than anyone thought possible. The engineering world still can't believe the speed and precision with which China pulled it off, cementing the country's reputation for delivering mega projects on scales rarely seen before. Number 4. Dubai-style leisure destinations. China doesn't just build dams and high-speed trains, it builds visions of the future. Inspired by Dubai's world-famous leisure hubs, China is pouring $64 billion into colossal entertainment and tourism megaprojects. These aren't typical theme parks. They're self-contained entertainment ecosystems, blending theme parks, ecotourism, cultural hubs, luxury resorts, and even futuristic smart cities where people can live, work, and play. Picture something like Disneyland fused with eco-friendly cultural immersion, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, all scaled up 10 times bigger. Designed to attract millions of international visitors, these destinations will not only boost tourism but also redefine how entertainment and lifestyle merge, pumping billions into the economy while showcasing China's ambition to shape the future of global leisure. Number 3. Underwater high-speed rail. China loves a challenge, and what could be more challenging than building high-speed rail underwater? This $5.6 billion project in Guangdong involves submerged tunnels fitted with ultra-modern safety systems to connect major economic hubs. Building underwater rail requires next-level precision because of pressure, earthquakes, and water leakage risks. Engineers are using high-end quality materials, AI monitoring, and robotic construction crews to ensure safety and efficiency. It's the kind of thing once reserved for science fiction, but China is turning it into reality, proving that ambition, technology, and bold vision can literally change how millions of people travel every single day. Number 2. Karuma Hydropower Station. China's ambitions don't stop at home. Through its Belt and Road Initiative, China is building mega projects worldwide. In Uganda, the Karuma Hydropower Station is a massive project, bringing electricity to millions of people, costing $1.7 billion. It's a symbol of how China exports not just products, but entire infrastructures to developing nations. Beyond Uganda, China is financing roads, railways, ports, and airports across Asia, Africa, and Europe, reshaping local economies, creating jobs, and strengthening diplomatic ties. These projects show China's global influence and its ability to transform landscapes while integrating technology, engineering expertise, and long-term development strategies on unprecedented scales. Number 1. Chancay Port. Another mega investment China has made is in Peru, the Chancay deep water port. This $1.3 billion investment is part of China's grand plan to dominate global shipping routes. By controlling key ports in South America, China strengthens its grip on international trade. The Chancay port isn't just a harbor, it's a strategic chess move in the game of global power, offering modern cargo handling, logistics hubs, and deep water access that can accommodate the largest container ships, further cementing China's influence in the region. This port will revolutionize South American trade routes, cutting shipping times to Asia by up to 10 days and establishing China as the dominant force in trans-Pacific commerce. These mega projects use cutting-edge technology from AI monitoring systems to modular construction methods. They prioritize green energy with hydropower and renewable energy at the center. And they extend China's reach far beyond its borders into Africa, Asia, and Latin America. So, if China can build tunnels under seas, dams the size of cities, and rail networks stretching across deserts and mountains, what will it build next? Could it be space-based solar power stations? Floating cities? Perhaps Arctic trade routes controlled by Chinese megaprojects? One thing is certain. As China lays down steel, concrete, and ambition across continents, it isn't just shaping landscapes, but building the future itself.